Hello everyone, this is Bhargav Mehta from MR Consultants. So today we are going to discuss about conversion of composition GST into regular scheme of GST. Okay. So who should get converted initially? Either voluntarily we can get converted if you want to claim ITC, or else your limit get exceeded. So what is the limit? Limit is 1.5 CR turnover. For usually all the states the limit is same, but other than for some special states limit is 7.75 lakhs, and special states are Meghalaya, Manipur, etc. How to apply for conversion from GST from composition scheme to regular scheme? So let's start the video. Let's go to the GST portal. See, I've logged in the GST portal, and from here services, registration and application for withdrawal from composition levy. So this is the option. Once you click in that option, we have this thing. Your GST number will be displayed, your legal name of the business, your trade name will be displayed, your address of the business will be shown here. So here we have the option to select, like one is the voluntary, second is exceeding the threshold limit that we already discussed about 1.5 CR, and rest are all the other options we have over here. Okay, so one of it is supply of goods not liable to tax, interstate supply of goods through e-commerce operator, even they have the option to get converted. Manufacture of notified goods, there are some specified goods in which you have the option to get converted, or your reason might be others. Okay. So for us is like voluntary conversion, we are converting voluntarily. Okay. So here you have an option to select the category of registered person, but this is already selected, as at the time of registration we have already made the choice. We are other supplier, or we are in manufacturer, so it gets automatically selected. We don't have to do anything. Here you can check the date from which withdrawal from composition levy is sought. Okay, so we can keep the today's date, 7th March. Okay, thirdly, here there is one verification. You click on it, select the author signatory, write the place, and you are done. You can just save it and submit it to EVC. So once this is done, we have what next? Like, what is the next step for this? So once the application is made, it will be automatically approved. So there is no special approval required for this application, and you get converted from composition to regular scheme. So once your application is approved, you get converted into regular scheme. So what next? So once that is done, we have to file form for claiming the ITC, which we had already paid for it, right? So I'll take you to the website. In the downloads option, we have this offline tools, and we can download the utility which is for claiming the ITC. So I'll take you there. See, this is the one, ITC one offline tools. We have to download this, and once you download it, you can see this. This is how the form looks like. So here you have to mention your GST number. This is a utility basically. So you have to mention your GST number over here. You have to mention SEZ developer or not, and the claim made. So here we have to mention the sections. We have the section 18 where we have 4 subsections. So we have to select which subsection do we fall for. So I'll show you what it is exactly. So section 18.1, 18.1A is for newly registered companies. So if you want to take ITC, so you can once your limit gets exceeded, that is 40 lakhs, so you can easily claim ITC on your stock which is lying in your godown, on which you have paid ITC. Okay. So one is 18.1A, another is 18 subsection B. So B is for voluntary registrations. Even voluntary registrations done, you can even in case of voluntary registrations you can take the ITC. Okay, and subsection is C is for composition dealers, for which we are talking about currently. Okay, and D is for others having exempt supply. Okay, so we have these 4 sections. So here we have to select the claim made under section 1, 18.1A, B, C, D, whatever it is. So in our case it is C, 18.1C. Then we have this option, date of opt out from composition scheme. So that will be the current date. Okay. We have to fill the form, and you can check here that we have this generate JSON file. So once we generate this, we can upload this online. So but before doing creating the JSON file, we'll go to the section 18(1)(c), what we have selected. So here in this we have to mention the GST name from which the goods have been purchased, GST invoice number, invoice date, goods type like good invoice held in stock, or maybe capital goods it is, or maybe contained in semi-finished or finished goods held in stock, but goods should be held in stock. So you have that stock as your closing stock. So only on that you can claim the ITC. Okay. And here you have to mention the description of inputs, UQC whatever it is, quantity, value, supplier type, and the amount of ITC to be claimed. Okay. So for claiming the ITC, there is a provision in the GST law that you cannot claim ITC beyond 1 year. So like today is 7th March, so you can claim for the invoices only after 8 March 2020. So that is the 1 year limit we have in this. So you cannot claim over and above that. So all your invoices has to be dated post 8 March 2020. So there is a time limit of 1 year. So once the JSON is generated, you'll see the option over here, services, returns, and we have this ITC form. Okay, so once this JSON is generated, we have this option. We can go to the GST portal, services, returns, and GST ITC form. So ITC 01 has to be selected, but here we cannot see the form just because we have not made the application for withdrawal. Okay, so withdrawal application can be made through this, as earlier I have already explained you, application for withdrawal from composition. So this is how you get converted yourself from composition to regular scheme. And one more thing in here is that while converting the from composition to regular GST, we have to claim this ITC. But then for ITC you need a CA certificate mentioning the goods on which you are claiming, and that has to be matched with your utility form which you are filling up. So like this is the one that section 118C we had selected. So here the stock should match with those certified by the CA. So that should match, and we have to upload the CA certificate online while filing the form ITC. So that's how you get converted, and after filing up the form, immediately your credit balance, ledger balance will be updated, and you can see the balance which you have claimed. Thank you. So guys, if you like your video and you have any queries, just please mention in the comment section so that we can guide you up.